Hey guys, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and today I'm excited to come to you with this new video. It is a spring collaboration hosted by two of my beautiful YouTube sisters, Creative Glam and Homebody with Felisa. In this spring collaboration, we were given two challenges. First challenge was we must create a DIY of choice, anything that we wanted. Part two of the challenge is that whatever we created could not cost more than $20. So the challenge was any DIY for $20 or less. Being the frugal fashionista that I am, I rose to the challenge. So let me share with you what I'm going to be using for my peaches and cream DIY. First up, we have this beautiful ribbon. It is a wired ribbon with a little bit of glistening pearlization going on in it. I absolutely love it. $9.99 at 50% off, okay? Next we have this gorgeous peach candle also from Hobby Lobby at $7.99, also 50% off. So I picked up 3 of those. These are the items that I purchased, okay? Then these items, you guys, if you've watched any of my videos, then you know that I am a totally Dazzle girl. I absolutely love their items. I have purchased many things from them, but in this particular case, they reached out and they gifted me these absolutely gorgeous rose color napkin rings. I'm gonna repurpose them, give them a new life, style them up for my peaches and cream theme. So stick around and see how I glam this up for spring. Okay guys, so in addition to your ribbon, candle, and beautiful bling, you're gonna need a few more items. So let me show you what all we're gonna be using for this particular DIY. You're gonna need measuring tape. You're gonna need some scissors. You're gonna need some 4 wire cutters. And you're gonna need a hot glue gun, okay? So for the sake of the video, I've already pre-cut my ribbon. I know that it's gonna take 10 inches for me to wrap entirely around this particular candle. And let me also point out that I am using a low temp glue gun because I am working with a candle, which is wax. So you put something hot with wax, it can melt. So that is why I opted to go with the low temp glue gun, okay? So I'm just laying, as you can see, I'm just laying my ribbon. I'm kind of eyeballing it because I just want to get it centered. So first thing I'm going to do is apply the glue to this end. Just a nice little strip, not excessively, but just enough to hold, because this is, again, you're gluing it, you're adhering it to wax. So once I attach it, I press firmly down, rubbing my fingers over. It's low temp, so it's not gonna burn you. Then I'm gonna do this here, so because I want you guys to see what I'm doing here, just to kind of finish it off and give it a nice clean look, as opposed to those, let me show you, those raw edges there. I'm going to do a fold over method just to clean it up a little bit. So I go in, you see what I did? I just folded it over just to give it a hem, if you would. Although this is going to be the back of it, in the event that it's spent around, it looks nice and clean. So I'm gonna take this here, really simple DIY, you guys. I'm gonna glue this side in 2 places. I'm gonna glue here, just a nice strip there, okay? To adhere that over, press down, okay? So there you created your hem. Okay, and so now I'm going to, let me bring it in a little closer. I'm going to simply just glue this down. I'm gonna lay it right along the edge of it. Okay, pulling tightly so that there's no gaps in my ribbon. Press firmly And voila, the ribbon is complete. Okay. Now, set that there. And for my stone, you guys, my brooch, I'm gonna take my wire cutters and I'm gonna simply go along here and I'm gonna just like that, it pops off. So I had already nicked one side, just so you don't think that I'm Hercules. I did that at one, I had already nipped this side, and so I nipped that side. And so they give you a nice flat back to adhere to any particular surface. So I'm gonna lay this back down again, you guys. And with this, I'm going to use the grooves of the, because as you can see here, it's not quite flat because it was rounded for the napkin ring. I'm gonna use those to kind of press into the actual candle. So I'm gonna apply glue. And you want to be liberal with your glue for the brooch itself. Okay. So I've attached a good amount. And so here I'm going to simply eyeball the center and press down. This is a beautiful, simple DIY. Just taking any plain candle and glamming it up. So remove those items out the way. And with the magic of off-camera styling, I have all 3 candles styled to go. So the next thing you're going to see is me styling these particular candles. They are absolutely gorgeous. They could be used for more than spring. You guys know that I love doing transitional styling, meaning using items or creating items that can be used for more than one occasion. And this particular candle would be gorgeous style for a wedding. It would be gorgeous birthday party, or even just a beautiful entryway in your desk, on your desk. Just absolutely gorgeous. Nice clean line on the back. So let's get styled. Okay, family, if you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Join the TMB family. I would love to interact with you on my other social media sites. I can be found active on TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Design 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, I want you guys to have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.